IAmStrength Apparel and Products champion natural, holistic, and sustainable health and healing systems. The IAmStrength brand is yours because you advocate for and develop systems that promote physical health, environmental sustainability, and resilience. IAmStrength Apparel and Products are more than just things. They are tangible affirmations that encourage you to build a fulfilling life for yourself, your family, and your community. With IAmStrength Affirmation Apparel and Products, you show your dedication to maintaining healthy bodies and a healthy planet. Join the movement. Be the change. Start living your best life today, and let IAmStrength Affirmation Apparel and Products help you. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the Higher Self Awards. That means your purchase will help Higher Self Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at IAmProducts.Store.